Types of content writers. Blog writer. For digital marketing, especially search engine optimization, content is considered to be the king. These writers spin out generic content and even through prior journalistic experience is not mandatory. The writers are required to extremely create and follow content writing format to help in search engine optimization. These SEO content writers, experts, have the responsibilities of crafting error-free blogs, articles, description, meta tags, and so on. They optimize the content for the search engines, for the readers by making use of easy to read language, bold headings, subheadings, bullets, small paragraphs, sentences, and so on. Relevant keyword is included in the content, and the type that they write on range from the roof, replacement tourist destination, and more. Thanks to the SEO content writing services, the online space gets its regular dose of information. So people are also fond of blog writing. If you want to become a blogger, I would suggest you to do a proper research, understand your niche, understand your competition, then start writing on your blog. Technical writer, the person who writes a script for technical content. While SEO content writer focus on the writing generic content, technical content writers are the bridge between complicated technical concept and audience of the different level of comprehension. These writers generally excel in specific subjects related to technology. Few of technical content writer examples are consumer electronics, hardware, software, engineering, biotechnologies, robotics, aeronautics, chemistry, and other various trending technical topics for content writing. They develop technical content to be used as technical modules. User manuals, help files, admin manuals, technical literature, reports, and so on. If you're dealing with a complex technology, want your end user to understand what it is to you, you can seek the help of technical writer to present your business in a easy to digest content writing format. The next one is industry writer, a person who talks about a particular industry or expert in a subject. You can call it as subject matter experts where they'll be focusing on a particular subject. If you ask me to write a content, I'll be writing on SEO or I'll be writing on digital marketing. If you are good at fashion, you will be writing only on fashion, nothing else. So you are considered as industry expert writer. Now, who is a ghost writer? Now the person, okay, the name might bring you mind like panoramal activities, but it is nothing related to ghost. So ghostwriting is basically writing and developing content for someone else, and the content will be published by someone else's name. The writer's name will not be seen elsewhere. Okay, the writer's name will not be seen. That is referred to as ghostwriter. You will find a lot of SEO content writing companies offering content services under a classification of ghostwriting. Email writer. So there are writers who specifically write a email content. Now, how do people write email content? So previously people were talking about buy one get one 10% discount. So people were talking about offers. Now if you look at any subject, there is no offers. It is like gift to your son this birthday. Why you haven't received my mail yet? Why you are not responding to my mail? It's too catchy, it's too personal as well. So when you focus on content writer, people have changed their way of delivering, especially in marketing field. Script writer, a person who specifically write for script for podcast or short video or any video content. You might have heard a lot of talk radios where people prepare a proper content and they deliver it. Keyword. It is very important to mention the right keywords. So you can focus on the short term keyword like a broad keyword or a long tail keyword. So try to add a relevant keyword in your blog. And the density should be 2 to 3%. If you are using like best places to visit in India, that you have to use 2 to 3% for 100 words. The volume and the placement matters a lot. Use the most advanced tool to find the keywords or take a support from a SEO team. Do a thorough research from the advanced tool. Now, To become a proper content writer, you have to focus on other tools as well. Must needed tools. Grammarly. If you're not that great at English and if you're not that great at punctuation, I would suggest you to install this particular plugin to your Chrome, which is called as Grammarly, where it understands your English, it understands the punctuation, and it will throw you an error. Plagiarism Checker, an article rewriter, you can go for duplicate checker. Similarly, for word counter, how many words my content is having. For that, you can use the plagiarism checker. Now, Pixabay, Pixel, and Unsplash, these are the tools where you will be getting the non-patented images, which you can use for your marketing purpose, you can use it for your website, you can use it for your content or a blog. Google Keyword Planner. So Google is not only the keyword planner that we have Ask the Public, Keyword Shitter, Uber Suggest. You can go for that and you'll be able to filter the right set of keywords, suggestions, alternatives, synonyms, which you can use it for your blog. Canva. So to optimize your image, to make it more attractive and user friendly, you can focus upon Canva. Remember, your content is the king and long live the king.